Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be teaching you a new method where we can earn up to $15 every 3 minutes. But I gotta tell you in advance though, this method won't work if you're too lazy to follow all the steps that I'm about to teach you. So if you want to make a change, if you want to start making money online, then keep on watching until the end, because I will be showing you guys how to do this the right way. And I advise that you don't skip any part of this video, because somewhere here in this video, I'll be sharing a tip where you can earn double or maybe triple. And I don't want you to miss out on that. Also, I don't want you guys to do this the wrong way, because if you do, you might end up not earning any money at all. And we don't want that. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button for me and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. So for today's video, we will be using this website to earn money online. This is the world's leading software reviews and selection platform, which means business owners and businesses from all over the world come over to this website to get their software or platforms tested by people like us. And then people like us are going to give reviews for them. That way we can help potential buyers or potential users of different softwares to decide whether they should get the product or not, whether they should use the software or not. So this platform is going to give us money, is going to pay us by just doing simple reviews. And you don't have to worry at all, because you don't have to buy those softwares. You don't even have to use them. And you can do this method in less than 3 minutes. Also, you don't have to worry at all how to do this, because again, as always, I will walk you through all of the steps. So I want you to stay patient and stay with me until the end of this video. So the name of this platform or this website is Capterra, and you can come over to capterra.com. Just go over to Google or your search bar directly and then type in capterra.com. Now, if we scroll to the bottom, you can see here that there are a lot of categories, and there are over 700 categories here, including subcategories. So for example, this category right here, accounting and finance. So if I click this drop down arrow right here, you're gonna see a lot of different subcategories. So if we try another one, let's say, how about communications and media? As you can see, there are also a lot. So you already get the point, right? Since there are over 700 categories right here, this means that the earning potential in this website is unlimited. You'll never run out of software or programs to write a review on. And every time you write a review, that is $10 for you. And again, I am going to teach you how to do this under 3 minutes. Now you might be wondering, why would this website pay you $10 per review? And this review only takes us less than 3 minutes to make, so why would they pay us that much? Well, the answer is, the owner of these websites or these programs or these applications which we're about to write a review on are willing to pay a lot just to have 5-star reviews on their applications or their programs. Because if they have 5-star reviews, or let's say a high rating, for example 4.5, 4.7, 4.9, of course you are going to take the chance to download that or to buy that product, right? So that is why they are willing to pay this much for us to write a review on their products. Okay, now let's start. What I want you to do is go over here at the top part of your screen in the home page, of course. Here at the top, you can see write a review. So click on this. After you click on that, you'll be redirected to this page right here where you can see this. Review business software. Write reviews of your own experience with software products used in your industry. And there are a lot of suggested products right here below. Before we proceed, if you guys are enjoying the video so far, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, now let's go back. Now, what you can do is come over here to the search bar and search for different types of applications or products that you might have already used and you want to write a review on. So example, let's say Facebook. If I search on Facebook right here, you will see a lot of Facebook results, but the Facebook application or the website itself is this one right here. So you want to click on that if you want to do that. So for example, how about Twitter? You can find Twitter here as well. If you want a review on Twitter, just go ahead and click on that and write a review on it. So if I click on Twitter, I'll be redirected to this page right here where you can see I need to type in some basic demographic details or information about myself. So I'm just gonna put here my first name, my last name, my email address right here, and this right here is really important, the job title. Now if you're employed, you can write your job title there, but if you are not, then I want you to write here freelancer. And for the organization name, if you're employed, then again write your organization name right here. If you are not, I want you guys to type in self-employed. And for the industry, again, if you are employed, write what industry you are in. And if you are not employed or unemployed, then you can just choose whatever is you think is suitable for you right here. Then you just have to answer the company size right here. So whatever is your company size, click it. And if you are unemployed, again, we are freelancers, so we are self-employed. That means you should choose myself only. And then right here, you'll be asked, how long have you used this software? And you can see that these are the options. Free trial, less than 6 months, 6 to 12 months, 1 to 2 years, and 2 and more years. So what I recommend you guys is to click on 2 and more years or at least 6 to 12 months. Because if you select less than 6 months or free trial, then most likely you won't get paid for this review. So I suggest you guys to click on either these 3 options right here. Now here below, you'll be asked how frequently do you use this software? You can either choose at least weekly or daily. Okay, so that they will know that you've been using this website or you've been using this software and that they'll trust your review on this. Next, what is your role in using this software? Of course, we are the users, so click on I am user and then click on next. And then right here on the second page, you can see that we have to rate the application. So right here, overall quality, it actually depends on you, but I suggest you select at least 4 or 5 stars. So for me, I'll just select 5 stars because I have been using Twitter for a long time now. So customer support is optional, but I'm gonna put it 5 stars. Features and functionality 5 stars. Value for money 5 stars because it's free. Ease of deployment, I'll use 5 stars. Now, how does the pricing for Twitter compare to similar products? I'm gonna choose this one right here because this is inexpensive. This is just for free. And then right here below, how likely is it that you would recommend Twitter to a friend or colleague? Now, it depends on you, but I'm gonna answer 9 or 10. Actually, I'll select 9 for this. And then I'm gonna click on next. Now we have been redirected to the third and final page of this review. And this is the most important part of this review, because this is where you'll put your thoughts and opinion about the product or the software that we'll be reviewing on, right? So this is where you put in your title. This right here below is where you're gonna put your pros, and then here are your cons. And here, the last part, the last box, describe your overall experience with Twitter. This is optional, but I suggest you're gonna write something here because this will give you a greater chance of getting paid. Now, did you switch from another product? Just click on no. And then here you have to click this one in order to submit this. Alright, now since you've reached this part of the video, I think it's time to tell you now the secret tip that I've been meaning to tell you the whole time. Now I told you that you can write this under 3 minutes, right? And the reason why we can do that is we are going to base our review on other people's review. So what I want you to do right now is go over to google.com and search for Twitter reviews or whatever it is that you're gonna review on, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna search for the reviews, right? But you're not gonna copy the whole thing. You're not gonna copy the whole text. What I want you guys to do is to paraphrase it or just make it as an inspiration of what you're gonna write. So for the title of your review, right here on this box, you're just gonna write Twitter review. And then right here below, you need the pros and cons. So what you're gonna do is still go over to Google and type in Twitter pros, Twitter cons. just like that. And then you can also search for Twitter overall review. Now, aside from Google, you can also search or you can also look for reviews here on Capterra. So you have to go here on the homepage, and here at the top, what can we help you find? You're gonna type in here, Twitter review. Press enter or click on search, and then this will come up. So you have to click on this, you have to click on Twitter, and then right here below, just scroll down, all the way down. You can see that there are a lot of different reviews for this. There are pros and there are cons. Right here below, you can see the people who are actually reviewing on this, and these are professionally written. Now, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna read this and then base your review off of this. Just that easy. You can even use a paraphrasing tool if you like to. So again, you can just search on Google paraphrasing tool, copy this, put it in your paraphrasing tool, and then paste it here on these boxes. So after that, what you're gonna do next is click on submit and then wait for Capterra to send you a message or to send you an email. Again, it's $10 per review. So what I suggest, guys, is you make a lot of reviews as you can. Now, you don't have to worry if you never used a product or you never used an application or a software, because again, you can just search them on Google easily and you can base the reviews off of them. Just like that. And that's how you're gonna make money with this method. And that's it, guys! If you learned something from this video and if you like it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Now, if you have questions about this method, just leave a comment down below. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!